Hi, my name is Ray from ADF Mentors and I'm one of the senior mentors. So today I'm going to take you through our U-Session training course. So about me, I'm a 20-year veteran of the Royal Australian Navy and I've had lots of experience in getting people through the recruiting process and into the ADF. So ADF Mentors has a fantastic success rate. We have a 98% success rate with people going through the training course. We also offer a 100% money back guarantee, and that's if you don't pass, then we refund your money. And lastly, our training is delivered by ex-Defence Force personnel, so we don't use any international tutors. So firstly, I'd like to take you through the client area. So when you log on to the ADF Mentors website and you go into the client area, you'll see that it's broken down into 3 stages. The first stage is the Foundation Maths book. The second stage is our training course, and the training presentation course, it includes things like videos and quizzes to help you with the learning techniques that you'll need to know for going through the aptitude tests themselves. And then right at the end of stage 3 is the aptitude tests themselves. So we have 4 aptitude tests which directly simulate the tests that you would experience, and in the U session there are another 2 aptitude tests as well at the end of the U session training presentation. So firstly, let's have a look at the maths book. So when you click on this link, it downloads the maths book to your PC. Now let's look at the maths book. So in the maths book itself, it covers off on all the elements and the basic foundation things that you need to understand when you're going through the training course. So firstly, we cover the addition, subtraction, multiplication. Then we go into fractions and decimals, and then you cover off on things like algebra, trigonometry, and lastly, square roots. So looking through the maths book, you see it's very comprehensive and has a whole lot of detail and all the specific examples and techniques that you'll need to understand to get through the training course. And these are key foundation elements for that training course. So going back into the training presentation itself, so in the training presentation, you'll notice when we go through the start that it's broken up into an overview of the training presentation, and you'll see that it's represented in a PowerPoint format because that's the most user-friendly way that we can represent the training course. You'll see that it covers off on the general ability test and it also covers off on the math ability test. Now if we go into specific sections within the general ability test, you'll see that we start off with understanding things like the picture patterns, and when you first see the problem on the picture pattern, then you'll be taken through an explanation video.
Alright, what shape to start with? Every C, and I move on to...
And the video explains the techniques to get through the question in the fastest possible way, and then you'll be taken to a quiz. And the quiz just consolidates the learning points that you have when you go through and do those particular questions. Now let's have a look at another one, which is the series or the sequence, number sequences. So number sequence is exactly the same. We've got the question to start with, then we have the video.
Alright, so 3 time, therefore this number is 16.
And finally we'll have some quizzes, and the quizzes are there to test your ability to go through those questions at the time that's necessary. At the end of the training presentation video, there's a aptitude test. There's 2 aptitude tests that you'll go through, and they will simulate the same experience that you will have when you do the aptitude tests with the ADF. Closing off the presentation and going into stage 3, we've got the 4 direct simulated aptitude tests, which cover all the elements of what you've learnt through the presentation, and they will test you under the same time constraints that you will have when you go through and do the defence aptitude test. So I hope that's been helpful, and I hope it's given you some insight into the training package and how comprehensive it is. When you want to purchase the training course, go to the bottom of the U-Session training page and click on purchase, and that'll take you through how to purchase the course. I'd just like to reiterate that ADF Mentors has a 98% success rate, and we offer a true money back guarantee. So if you don't pass your U-Session, then we'll give you your money back. Thanks very much. I look forward to hearing from you. My contact numbers are on the webpage, And please give me a call if you want to talk to me about any aspects of the course or anything else to do with the recruiting process. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much.